What's up, Jasmy holders? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we spoke about Jasmy, but I feel like right now is the moment where I should update you about the price action going forward. So in this video, I will talk about my exact price targets for Jasmy. Short term, mid term, long term. I'm going to show you the technicals, all the things that I'm currently seeing. I'm going to talk about on-chain data and many more important things. And I know it's been a while since we spoke about Jasmy. I'm planning to make a lot more updates for you guys. If you want to see more updates, make sure to drop a Japanese flag down below in the comments. I would really appreciate that, guys. Also, don't forget to like the video. And before I get in, I also want to issue a little warning. I hope the wind is not too loud, but there are many scammers, impersonators active here on YouTube in the comment section, as you might know. I will never DM you, I will never ask you for money or to sign up to anything. Be extremely careful, those are scammers. My official links are down below in the video description, so be extremely careful, and let's now get into it. So guys, let's start off here with the price section of Jasmy, and this is the monthly time frame, so every candlestick that you see over here is 1 month, and the price section goes all the way back to February 2021. And let me actually enable the prices so that you can see where we are currently trading at. So right now, from the point of recording, Jasmy at 1.69 cents here. What you can see is actually this wide curved line, and this basically represents a bear market here for Jasmy back in from 2021 all the way to December 2022. Then we had an accumulation phase. I think we are right now at the end stage of this accumulation, and I think that the real parabolic bull run is about to start very soon for Jasmy. This is literally the moment of opportunity, in my opinion. So to be clear, we had a bear market, we had sideways accumulation, and then we are about to enter that bullish phase in the market. And I basically see this structure all along in crypto. Almost every altcoin looks the same like this. There are some exceptions, but most altcoins look like this. And that is very interesting to see. Now, if we actually zoom in, then you can see that the best accumulation zone was actually from December 2022, I would say, until October 2023. So if you bought Jasmy there with me here on the channel, big shout out to you. Then we had that huge rally to the upside. Jasmy had a massive pump. We went all the way to 6 cents. And since then we had a pullback in the price, massive correction here on the monthly time frame. And we found some support here where we previously got rejected from in February. And also we got supported here in 2022. Also here, by the way, in 2021. But we are right now finding support in this reaccumulation zone for Jasmy. So this is still a very good moment to get involved into the market if you're currently on the sidelines. Of course, not financial advice. I don't know what's going to happen, but this is all a game of probabilities. You can also approach this differently. You can see higher highs, higher lows. So it's very likely, if we go with the trend, that we can at least expect one more higher high for Jasmy going forward here in 2025. And I'm going to give you the price targets in a minute. But first of all, what I want to show you is actually the search volume for Jasmy on the Google Trends indicator. Now, this is a free indicator. If you type in trends.google.com, then it will take you to this website. And if you search on Jasmy, and if you put this into worldwide, then you can see that the search volume for Jasmy is currently very, very low. What does this mean? This means that retail interest is currently at historical lows, at cycle lows for Jasmy. We are currently at 11. The last time that we were at 11 was literally here in October of 2024. And let's go to the price. Let's see where Jasmy was at October 2024. I'm going to go to the weekly. And let's make this a little bit bigger. And you can see that in October 2024, that was literally this point here prior to Jasmy's major rally. And you might think that was not a real rally, but if you actually measure from the low point to the high point, that's a rally of 280%. Had you used, let's say, a 5x leverage, you could have made significant gains, but even 280% on the spot market is absolutely massive. And that was also a very good accumulation zone for Jasmy because retail interest was extremely low back then. Then we had a massive spike in retail interest, which spiked until December 2024. And if you look at the price, that was literally the peak here in the price, December 2024. And after that, Jasmy had a massive correction. So This shows you guys that you should listen to this indicator. This is a very powerful one. You should buy when retail interest is very low, and you should sell when retail interest is very high. But right now, to be clear, we are at cycle low. So this is a very good moment of accumulation. Many people are extremely fearful for macro events, even to events specifically correlated to Jasmy, because there were some rumors about Jasmy getting delisted from Binance and so on. And typically you tend to see these rumors around the bottom. It was literally the bottom for Jasmy. So next time, guys, when you see very bearish news, basically go against the herd mentality, and that is how you make significant gains in crypto. Because since that local bottom, we have also seen a massive rally for Jasmy, 130%. And yeah, that shows you that you should go against the herd in crypto and in investing in general. Let's now actually talk about my Jasmy coin price targets here, short-term, mid-term, long-term. But before we do that, guys, if you want to take advantage of this huge opportunity in crypto right now, just like I am doing, then definitely sign up to Phoenix. You will get a 20% cashback if you use my link down below in the video description. This is basically free money. You can use this money to open up swing trade positions. Keep in mind, Phoenix is a non-KYC exchange, so you don't need to verify yourself with an ID card or anything. It's literally as simple as signing up with an email, a password, and you're good to go within a few seconds. I use this exchange myself. It's an A-book exchange, which means that it is among the most trustworthy exchanges out there, just alongside with Bybit, with Binance, with Coinbase. So keep that in mind, guys. This is not just some random exchange or so. Definitely take advantage of my link down below in the video description if you want to get that 20% cashback. Also, guys, in collaboration with Phoenix, I opened up a new trade signal group. This is completely for free. I'm posting signals over there, my own strategy, and you can copy my exact trades over there. The link is down below in the video description. Day trades, scalp trades. It's a Telegram channel completely for free. We also have a community chat over there where you can talk directly to me, to other members in the group. We can discuss the strategy, the trades, the profits, basically everything, guys. Check it out. It is for free. At some point, when the group is getting too big, I'm gonna make this a paid group, but for now it's still for free. The official link down below in the video description. Check it out if you're interested. Now, continuing here with the Jasmy analysis, I'm back again on the monthly scale, and let me come up with some price targets for you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sketch out a Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high of February 2021 all the way to the bear market low for Jasmy. I'm right now on the log chart. I think this is the best scale to use here for Jasmy on the monthly. But what you can see is pretty interesting. Jasmy actually got rejected when we were trading at 6 cents, around that 0.382 Fibonacci level. Yes, it was around 5 cents and Jasmy went to 6 cents, but you can see that the price got rejected somewhat in that area and we failed to break above 5 cents with a monthly close. So technically we got rejected exactly at this important Fibonacci level, just like we did in March of 2022 and also here in July of 2021. What is also interesting is that Jasmy is currently finding support on top of a very important support range, the 0.236 at approximately 1.64 cents. So we are currently trading at a very crucial support zone. Now, the next imminent target here for Jasmy, in case we do see that reversal back to the upside, is actually around, I would say, 5 to 6 cents. And that is almost a 193% move to the upside from the current position. Obviously, guys, this is not my bull run price target for Jasmy, but this is definitely the next area to watch for. If we go above that, then I'm looking out for 12.2 cents, somewhere in that vicinity, which is a 0.5 Fibonacci level. And if we go above that one, then 30 cents to 38 cents is my next level for Jasmy, because that is actually the golden Fibonacci ratio. And you can also see that that was the exact bull run high for Jasmy in November 2021. Now, from our current position to the 0.5, we're talking about 600+% for Jasmy. And if we go to, let's say, the golden pocket or slightly above that, you're talking about almost 20x your money without any leverage. Let's say that you use a 3x leverage, very low leverage, because I think The downside risk is fairly limited, upside potential massive. So let's say that you are going to open up a futures long position on Jasmy with very low leverage, then your gains are going to multiply significantly. So keep that in mind as well. But yeah, those are my price targets here for Jasmy going forward in 2025. Can we go higher? Sure, but let's do everything step by step. The first one is 5 to 6 cents for Jasmy. Let's also zoom in a little bit before we wrap up the video. I also want to show you some on-chain data, so stay tuned a little bit here. It's a longer video than usual, but yeah, I want to make sure that you guys know exactly what is going on with Jasmy. Now, since that high point from the beginning of December, we can draw this trend line for Jasmy. We can connect as many touch points as possible. And what you can see is that Jasmy actually already broke its downtrend here on the 3 daily time frame. So technically we already broke out, and the first imminent target is the top side around 6 cents for Jasmy. So very nice opportunity here. I don't think that Jasmy is going to break below the lowest point from the beginning of April, below a cent. I don't think that that is going to happen. But for now, we're looking extremely bullish short term. The last thing that I want to show you here is actually on chain. If we take a look at the centralized exchange volume for Jasmy, then we can see that if we go, for example, to the 6 months, and this needs to load up, but then you can actually see that centralized exchange volume is extremely low for Jasmy. It was very high in December last year, but right now extremely low, guys. And this shows you, this typically happens prior to a big move in the market. You want to buy when volume is extremely low, and you want to sell when retail interest is there and when volume is extremely high. So this is also a very, very bullish metric here for Jasmy. The last thing that I want to show you guys is my Instagram account, which I actually reactivated. I'm posting stories over there about my lifestyle. I'm doing Q&A sessions, exclusive updates on Jasmy, on crypto, and XRP, other altcoins as well. If you're interested in that, the official link down below in the video description. Make sure to give me a follow if you're interested in all of these things. That was it, guys, for today's Jasmy analysis. If this was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to claim that free 20% cashback bonus on your first deposit on Phoenix if you use my link down below in the description. It's basically free money, guys. You just need to follow the requirements. You need to sign up with my link, and then you can basically trade for free with that bonus that you will receive into your Phoenix account. You can also copy my trades, my strategy. As I said in the video, in collaboration with Phoenix, I opened up a new trade group because I believe that the next few months are going to be really booming for crypto. So you want to be involved right now. So if you're looking for some extra passive income, if you want to maximize profits, definitely check it out, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I see you very soon with another Jasmy video. Bye bye.